Good. Excuse me. Good morning. Good morning. I guess. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Viet Tom. Peter in the house. How you doing, brother? We got big news. I dumped over half. We will be talking about that. You guys are going to be so mad at me when we get to that. So mad. So bad. Oh, come on. Good morning. All right. Ding, 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 ding. Let's get into the stock market. We're going to be serious today. Super serious. DBNC is working out. What's that? I think Mikester talked last Friday and I ignored him. Sorry, Mikester. Uh-oh. I didn't notice him. A microphone. It's a crypto. Is it some kind of meme MLM scam coin? It smacks of it. All right, you may or may not notice that I'm a little bit lighter on one position that I have. Man, Tesla up 12. I sold my micro strategy on Friday because I was just winner overall, but I'd be up more today if I wouldn't have sold. Actually, it's about the same. I'm only about $3 off. And how have we done on micro strategy? Made about $4,000. I might buy some Tesla right now. I don't know how much I can afford to buy. Not that much. Dumped over half of what? Did you Quaid in the house? You're just gonna have to wait, brother. Brother. All right, I just bought some Tesla. Ooh, Ethereum. Bitcoin's over 110,000, by the way. Oh, the cash is 111. Bitcoin itself 110, 140. We're not buying it. You lock profits, huge. I locked profits on. I actually locked a little bit of loss on the last micro strategy, down about 1,000, but overall up 4,000. That's just for the year. I think it's more like 12 or 16,000 because it started last year. BTC is not going to fall below 100K again. Kool-Aid sipper in the house, everyone. We got a Kool-Aid sipper in the house. The big news this weekend is this James Nguyen guy. Who the F is that? By the way, besides a freaking degenerate, because 111 doesn't feel overpriced. It doesn't feel overpriced, but I mean, you think Bitcoin can't fall below 100,000 again? You are freaking wrong. It also doesn't. There's no like FOMO. No one's talking about it. No one's talking about crypto, bro. except the 7 people at the Bitcoin conference, which is going on. I think there's a Bitcoin conference and Cardano might. Who cares? Turkish Edge. No. The crypto trader. I'm probably going to be doing away with. I'll still be using Grok, but I think I'm going to switch to Gemini just because I'm still really pissed off about what Twitter did in their pricing. I just got my second $40 bill. Is a pseudonymous? A weird word. Crypto trader for high risk, high leverage trades on Block, Hyperliquid. After receiving funding from Alameda and made significant profits trading meme coins, turned 7,000 into 25 million. He got lucky, bro. So he put a 1.25 billion 40x leverage long. Apparently he took the trade off, or he didn't take the trade off, and he didn't get liquidated on that crazy dip yesterday. What happened? It used to be $16 for ad free and Grok, and then they didn't send out emails or anything, and then it just turned into 40 overnight. And I've grown to begin to hate the platform. I also hate YouTube. YouTube this morning, to me, it's not the end of the world, but like I get a warning that I'm no longer showing ads and I can't get monetized. I mean, it's not like I was really making any money anyway, but and then I have to go fix my AdSense. I went to go fix my AdSense. Oh, you got to verify your address. Oh, what do you mean? I've done that already a long time ago, and it's been fine. So out of nowhere, they're like, "Oh, you got to verify your address again. We're just going to pause your." So just think of someone that life depends. Their income depends on this. I feel like this is something they do just to milk profits and whatever. And so I had to enter a PIN number, and I don't remember setting up a PIN number. So I'm like, yeah, I don't know my PIN. They're like, okay, we'll mail you one. So now I have to wait for them to mail me it. Could you imagine if my income depended upon that? Now I'm waiting for them to send me just so I can verify and whatever. So it's annoying. I was going to do a goal today to get enough money to buy 40 minutes from Meet Con Artist. Anyway, I digress. All right, I'm already up $100 on my Tesla. I should sell and buy Chipotle for the week. Mike's in the house. How you doing, brother? YouTube sucks. Yeah, YouTube sucks. Rumble kind of sucks too. X sucks. X video platform's the worst. They've done nothing to make that better. They've done nothing to make X better. All right, Ethereum's a grooving. Coinbase up 4. The big news, orange cheeseburger eating orange face is like, oh, we're going to tax the European Union on June 1st or some shit. 50%. Tanks the stock market Friday morning. Tanks crypto. And then over the weekend, oh, you know what? European Union begged me to pause it for 30 days. So I'm going to do that at my discretion. That's my discretion. They begged. They begged. They begged. So good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. I was working on my Christopher Walken. Christopher Walken. It's Tom. It's Christopher Walken. Christopher Walken. You're saying that all wrong. You're using the wrong tone. And I had it better last night. I gotta warm up the vocal. I had it down. I think I had it down better than I ever had it last night, but I don't know. It's too early in the morning. Need more work on Trump, but love it. Oh, Trump! I don't even know if I can get to Trump. I keep trying. I keep trying. He's hard, very hard, very. I don't. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I can do him, bro. Just don't know. Now I'm only up 50 bucks on Tesla. Maybe I should have taken profits. NASDAQ up 260. It was up as high as 300-ish. I don't know if this rally is going to hold. Bonds up 18 ticks. That's good. We need bonds to go up. You know the old adage, bonds go up, rates go down. And lately, bonds have been going down, 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 down. Everyone's talking about how bad the treasury sales have been going. It's the end of the world, blah, 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 blah. I think even Meet Kevin was talking about it. Meet Con Artist. E-mini S&P up 63. That's actually up a little bit more. Silver down 40 cents. Gold down $67. That'll make the ladies holler. What is gold at? 33.27. All right, Bitcoin 110.3. No one's excited. No one. Is anyone talking to you about Bitcoin? Is anyone hitting you up? Hey, what about crypto? What do you think? Should I invest in crypto? Should I invest in Bitcoin? Should I invest in anything? Is anyone? Is the postman knocking on your doors? The barber asking you about it? Is your aunt, your cousin? No one, bro. Bitcoin's the most boring asset on the planet. And all of crypto, dead. We need to turn that frown upside down so I can dump. I can't wait. I'm so ready, bro. Deliver me fat stacks. Coinbase 266. Dr. Payne in the house. How you doing, brother? Crypto is crickets. Yep. Deliver me from evil. Dumped half. Yeah, you're just gonna have to wait, bro. You guys are gonna be so mad at me. Oh, you're gonna be thumbs. Get the thumbs down ready. What did I pay for Tesla? Am I down now? No, barely up. Paid $351 basically. SEP. Ugh. SEP and that meta planet is coming back down to Earth. Even that gladiator guy who wouldn't shut up about MicroStrategy, he stopped talking. He's talking about Jimmy now. How's Jimmy doing? Ricky's all excited over this Jimmy shit. Space. He got out of that, I think, right? UNH. $165. Microsoft, Nvidia, CoreWeave, 115. Costco. Speaking of Costco, let me check. Even though it's a waste of time. Could you imagine if the computer was in? Out of stock, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. Oh, a lot of availables here. 97, 99. Come on, bro. They don't even have the 3Ds in anymore, do they? They just do not want me to have this thing. And get a 99. 99. 99. Yeah, they don't even have a 3. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's still here. Out of stock. Like, come on, bro. I'm trying to throw money at you. I only got 32 gigs of memory, but that's an easy problem. I should just buy it elsewhere. You think the 90s is the bottom? You got another Kool-Aid sipper in the house. Netflix 1200. Jimmy is 3440. It actually got over 35. Ricky could have got out at break even. Quantum qubits really broke out last week. A little bit. RGTI, IONQ. Why are some of these up? Nuclear had deals last week. I'm not sure which ones to invest in. It's too early on quantum. Investing in quantum, like trying to invest in a layer one, you don't know who's going to win. Yeah, some of these have been on a crazy run. Like, how do you invest in nuclear? Everything's up huge. This Constellation Energy's up a 2x since the end of April. I'm not investing in this shit, bro. Same with this one, CCJ. Up 2x since April. Like, what happened on April 25th? Or April 7th? This one's at 3x. And then this one's not doing much, so that must mean they're not any good. NNE, 2x. TLN, almost a 2x. Like, I'm giddy to invest in robots. I just bought some Tesla. Quantum and nuclear. Seems a little. Listen, all these nuclear are up quite a bit off recent Trump executive order or whatever. But all right, let's get into crypto. Pretty crazy weekend, I guess. Not really. Boring. Total crypto 3.41. Bitcoin's at all-time highs or near all-time highs, but the total crypto market cap is down. Total 2, everything minus Bitcoin because Ethereum's sucking D. 165 and it's currently 123. Bitcoin market cap 2.18 and hit all-time highs at 2.24. Bitcoin dominance 64, down a little bit today. Alex Becker keeps talking about alt season. Bitcoin back below 110. Boring. Such a boring. This is the boringest freaking crypto bull run ever, bro. I just kind of want to just hit end stream. I want to talk about this. Ethereum 2650 didn't get above that 2,700, did it? On Friday, I think we were talking about I need to get above 2,700. It actually did, but it didn't last. Like Ben, Dr. Payne, the smartest person in the room.
Oh, good for you. And how was it? I hope it was fucking good because it's useless now, isn't it?
Listening to the Benjamin Cohen. 8 to 76 cents. Ondo 95, a little bit of Ondo. Kurt threatened to buy some Ondo. I know he's full of shit. He's too much of a pussy. Solana 177. Marty Party says buy Solana under 300 and what's that other one? Zeus. Buy Zeus under $1. That thing has done nothing but go down. So keep dollar cost averaging into a pig. Definitely listen to Marty Party. That guy is on top of it. Stacks 90 cents. Sweet 360. I could have sold it last week at 390. Virtual's 240. Man, why is this thing up? A little bit of Ondo. A left. AVAX. Man, this is just graveyards. All these cryptos are nothing but graveyards, bro. I don't know if we're going to get an alt season. I hope so, man, but I got bags to sell. I am not kidding when I can't wait to be done with crypto and become a Bitcoin maxi. I am not freaking lying, dude. All right, let's talk about the bags I dumped. Get ready to hit the dislike. I dumped over 50% of my bags. Dumped. I dumped. You guys ready? Magnesium glyphosate is the most underrated nervous system healer. Okay. I was following about 800 people on Twitter. And I went through my list at least 3 times and just dumped, bro. Unfollowed. I dumped Twitter follow. I dumped the people I was following. I dumped the toxicity. I dumped most of the Cardano people. I'm still following Cheeseburger. Toxic ass. There's a couple people in Cardano that followed me. Otherwise, I would have unfollowed them, but I felt like that'd be a little messed up, like Saint and a couple other bros. There's even a couple, I was dumping Harmony One people like crazy, but there's a couple people that followed me that I didn't unfollow. You're lame. You're lame, Dr. Payne. I unfollowed all the dumb shit, bro. There's a reason I had a lot of dumb shit on my timeline because I was following dumb shit. And the algorithm thought I wanted to see all these stupid ass videos, and I don't. The algorithm still kind of sucks because, like, there's this morbid knowledge that keeps coming up. The same tweet, and I've said not interested 4 times, and it comes back up like a 5th time. The lines on the table. I mean, good times. Her friend hates her because why would you post this? Rev. What is that word? Relation? Revelact? It looks like a C. I don't know if that's Coke or not. It's too hard to tell. It could just be the table. Yeah, see? Have a good one. E just came in because you thought I sold, and then you got to bounce like a little bitch. You would here, Kurt? Yeah. I don't know why this guy's showing up on my timeline. Worst autograph ever, Frank Gore Jr. I post forbidden videos. I mean, you're kind of hot, but not interested. Whenever I'm having a bad day, I just look at this image. Yeah, that's a fucking. That was a bad time. There was a bro that like fell down and was stuck like that for a while, I think, if I remember. See, these aren't showing up on my when I look on the phone, but full of a lot of dumb shit again. Like, where are all these videos coming from? These weren't. No. The algorithm. It's like when I'm not on my phone, it's not showing up. But now that I'm on here, it's showing up. I stopped following this guy. I'm pretty sure. Because I don't care. Yeah, I don't follow him. Excuse me. I'm absolutely not interested in anything going on Cardano right now. I can care less what's coming out of anyone's mouth on Cardano. I know, Kurt, you're in shock, but I've had it. I've had it with the Kool-Aid sipping and the promises and the broken promises. I don't know what. Is this Michael Saylor? Who cares? I definitely don't care about anything on Solana. Look, I want us all to make money. The only thing I care about. Not getting caught stuck holding the bag. Apparently, Michael Saylor bought more Bitcoin this weekend. If Michael Saylor wasn't buying Bitcoin, do you think we would be where we are? What would the price of Bitcoin be if there wasn't MicroStrategy? It'd probably be. See, why is this showing up on my timeline? Not interested. Not. I thought I cleaned it up. Not interested. It's like the web version doesn't care. Yeah, I'm so done with Twitter, bro. Not interested. No one cares about Cristiano Ronaldo. I don't follow you, bro. Why are you on my timeline? Colin Rugg, why are you on my timeline? What would you hear, Kurt? She's pretty hot, but those eyelashes, I know my goat's a bot. Bro, this is unbelievable. I swear to God, if I view this on my phone, none of this is here. I like Will Compton, boys. We were traveling to Seacrest Beach. I follow Will Compton. I'm pretty sure. I don't remember him showing up when I. No, I don't follow. Why did I stop following him? And whatever. Fuck Will Compton. He kept talking about how the Chiefs get all the rest calls. I think had something to do with it. Nope. Trump media announces 2.5 billion. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? Our oscillator is on the line of turning bullish. Sure it is. Drop in on Twitch. I think I already got all these. Oh, it ends today? It was a great 3-day weekend. Wasn't long enough. I do go on vacation the first week of July. Getting 4 days, taking 4 days off and getting a 5th day. Exploiting them holidays. Put in my time for, did the same thing for Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's. I wonder how deep I went for Christmas and New Year's. You're going to ask for a code and I'm going to be really pissed off. My life is entering codes, bro. 6-digit codes. Fuck the hackers, man. The phone calls. This weekend I had a scare. Someone connected the ledger, my ledger, to the Coinbase API, which is retarded, but you know, some people don't know what an API is. So they fall for that shit and they call the number and they're like, yeah, we can fix this, but you have to send us your seed phrase. Give us the seed phrase and we can log in and fix this. And it's gone. No, bro, just log in. All right, time off. I could have sworn he approved. December 26th. I didn't go that ham. I should have went a little more ham. December 26th. So I worked 3 days. Please tell me. Dude, okay. So I get a week and a half off. Close to 2 weeks. I got to come in for 3 days and phone it in. Chris in the house. How you doing, brother? I should have stopped following Alex Becker, but I'm still following him for the comedy. A 7.24 trillion is now sitting in money market funds. Does that mean it's a couple pushes of a button that's going to be in crypto? I mean, is that what we're thinking? Bitcoin is breaking out 49 minutes ago. He predicts 118K this week. This is the guy that's YOLO Dolo in the longs. Yeah, it's breaking out. Not. It goes over 110 for like half a second. Everyone loses. Oh, the 7 idiots on Twitter lose their mind. It used to be about 17 idiots on Twitter lost their mind, but I stopped following about 10 of them. Cardano is powered by Aurora Boreas. Is that true? Oh, yeah, it is. That's their consensus. I was thinking of Laos, which isn't implemented yet. I'm out tomorrow. Quick day tip. Few tweets while on the plane. Good luck. Okay, Shardy. I don't know what we're going to do without you. I still follow this Joey Knuckle guy. I'm not sure why. He's very toxic. He's a very toxic Cincinnati Bengals fan. Using a manufacturing location at Archer. Do I follow you? Why Archer Daily? I'm following you. Oh, he's the figure guy. Okay. Yeah, I definitely want to follow him. Where's figure? Oh, Bitcoin's pushing 110,000. If I can invest in figure robots, I probably would. How are we feeling about the NBA right now, Chris? Private company. You got to be an accredited investor. Bitcoin over 110 again. Lori Shemek. Still follow Anthony Pompliano, even though he's annoying as shit. He won't shut up about Bitcoin and how great tariffs are. He is penis. Trump's penis is so far up his butthole. MGK crashes out for constant backlash. Who's MGK? I feel like I know who that is, but you're getting a not interested. Justin Brian Johnson says the last Bitcoin halving is 2140. I'm going to be here. I think I stopped following him. The guy's annoying. He's the guy that spends like $2 million a year to live forever. Queen Car Club. Yeah, why is this on my timeline? Look at this, dude. It's nonstop with this shit. This was not showing up on my phone. I thought I purged Twitter, bro. And it's just nonstop. I can't stop it. Look at this. Just post after post. Yeah. All right. Settings. Account information. Nope. Deactivate. They make this so hard to like change your shit, bro. Premium. Premium Plus. No. Premium Plus. $40 a month. They just nailed me 3 days ago. Now I can pay I can pay in advance for $7 a month. Half the ads in your following. Yeah. For $267 a month, you get, well, that's if you get billed annually. You get a small reply boost, encrypted direct messages, bookmark folders, highlighted tabs, edit posts, and longer posts. Higher usage limits. The only thing I'm going to be sad about is losing deep search and think. But I think I'm going to be okay. Confirm effective Your current plan. Your switch to premium and be charged a new rate. I bet they downgraded me immediately. Nope. I have deep search. All right, Bitcoin 110.2. Maybe maybe we start doing Instagram instead. Do we There was a segment. Oh, there's my nephew. What is he doing? The dude's in like 5th grade, almost 6 foot tall. Look at him, dude, compared to everyone else. I was watching a segment. I don't know that Instagram just shows you people you follow. I don't know you can go to explore. I forget what it was called. Play that funky music, white boy. Mug Shoddy. Let's F up. So these are chicks that got arrested. An easy way, let's see. Felony possession of a controlled substance, false identification. Yeah, she's a redhead. Apparently that means she's closer to being black than white, we learned last week. Reckless driving. What about this one, Kurt? Reckless driving? She looks like she has daddy issues for sure. Hello. Trespassing. Yeah, that's a pretty tame. Definitely looks like she was drunk. Possession of marijuana? Come on, bro. Like, we're arresting people for that? Where's this at? Somewhere in the Bible Belt where they still throw you in prison for that? 5th degree drug possession. This is what my stream has turned into. Theft. Domestic violence. Driving on a suspended license. Battery causing bodily injury. Disseminating matter harmful to juveniles. Battery, resisting arrest, aggravated assault. I want to find a murder, drug possession. Ooh, probation violation. From armed robbery. Where is that so I can bail her out? Which one? All of them? Assault and battery. Possession of a machine gun. Holy shit. She's possession of a firearm silencer. Possession of a controlled substance with an intent. Hello. Hey, baby. Right? You can change her. Exactly. Do you want to, though? Like, she can be she could smack me around. No. Multiple counts of petty theft. Ooh. Possession of a controlled substance. Some of the, Your Honor, we have it. It's the how much is their bail? The comments can be pretty funny. What did she is in possession of our hearts, Your Honor. The dudes here. A lot of controlled substance. Loitering. Ugh. Ugh. Public intoxication. I mean, come on. There's nothing wrong with that. She's pretty hot, too. A little heavy on the DWI. Street racing. Lee County Sheriff. Ugh. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. Oh no, what happened? Was that all of them? Causing grievous bodily harm with intent. Got into an argument with a friend on a night out and glassed her, aka hitting her friend with a glass bottle, causing her to be hospital hospitalized. Hospitalized. That's why was that word so hard for me? Yeah, she looks fucking psycho. God damn it. Whatever, bro. I mean, gosh darn it. I visited a historic site. Does anyone recognize it? Can you kiss my ass? Okay, Twitter is just a cesspool. Just look at this, bro. I can't stop it. It's nonstop. Not a single crumb, not a single parody account. I can't stop it. It just, this is unbelievable how bad Twitter is. For all my haters out there who very much love to see my portfolio swing down, I think you're a fucking moron, but just know now you get to see it swing back up into the hundreds of millions. I repeat. Yeah, you're an idiot, dude. I guess. I don't know. Maybe you're not. There was zero doubt we were winning the game after that play. Rob decided to help me. I like Paul Scheer. Is this why I'm getting videos, like more videos? Concerned citizen don't care. You can't stop the algorithm from just no context memes. Do not care. Twitter is just going to continue. Pirate Nation. I mean, sure, but don't care. Don't care. Like every other post is don't care, bro. Don't care. I swear to God, if I do this on my phone, it's not like this. Gotta mute them? No. Is that what you do? I mean, is anyone else's Twitter timeline like this, bro? So I'm looking at it on my phone and none of that shit shows up. I thought I fixed it. And none of that crap shows up on my phone. Oh, I take it back. There's a rock history one. The last oh. Now, it's an ad? Wait a second, bro. I just got an ad. My prescription is good for another month, and you're going to put ads on my timeline? Oh, I fucking hate you, Twitter. Elon Musk, you can suck a dick, bro. Yeah, we're moving on from Twitter. We're going to slowly move on from this cesspool. A waste of time. We're gonna find better things to do with our life. We really think this vampire is going to be around in 2140? I mean, that's 115 years from now, and the dude's already in like his 40s, so no. George Floyd went to jail 8 times, don't care. The Cardano wallet, don't care. The SEC's decision on Grayscale's ADA ETF. What is the bet? It's not going to go through. I wonder why I got an ad on my phone, but not here. I'm gonna run for Senate just to prosecute shit like this, dude. I'm gonna find X $50 billion. None of this thing slap on the wrist shit. $50 billion for baiting and switching and being a shitty platform. Delete your cache and cookies. Don't tell me what to do. Why would that? They're not caching tweets, bro. Cookies, maybe. All right. Do I still have deep search? Reset your algorithm. I tried. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? Bitcoin 109.7. Laugh out loud the title. Laugh out loud your face. I lied about feeling better. I don't feel better after that little sprint on Twitter. I'm not going to look at Twitter the rest of the day. Jimmy bipolar, is it down? You could have sold it, break even, but you fucked it up. Sorry for the F-bomb. Ugh, I don't want to work today, guys. Where is Jimmy? Jimmy. Jimmy, 3480. It's doing pretty good. Why break even? I mean, it'll be nice to see you actually win for a change on a stock. When's the last time you won on a stock, bro? Me, on the other hand, I'm up. I'm up. Everywhere I look, I'm up. Green. Even my Ethereum is about to go green. Clove? You ain't up on Clove, bro. How much did you make on that? $12? Yeah, that's. I mean, didn't you buy this around? There's no way you bought this before last August. I low key suspect you get like this taken out of your paycheck because you work for them. Oh, I've been taking Tadalafil. I didn't even really felt like I took any yesterday. Does this shit go bad quickly or something? And then you can buy it. This is. How did they get away with this? God damn it. Yes. They sell it here. Nad. They have this new one in. I was somewhat interested. Methylene blue in a capsule? Uh, Trinity. They had one that had like here. Nope, that's not it. And BPC 157, Matsi, TB 500, and something else, all in the bottle. On sale. Glow. I think this is it. BPC, TB 500, and GHK. I kind of want to try this. Research chemical only, not for human consumption. But it's okay to inject. A copper binding peptide for regenerative influence on skin, hair follicles, and its modulation of gene expression related to anti-inflammatory. How much is this? Does it say? What do you think, guys? Limited release. Add to cart. 50 milligrams. How much do I need? It doesn't even say. View cart. $114. Been adding since 2021. So you're down. How are you up on this, bro? I mean, unless you bought a lot here. Why do you like this stock? Look at this one. Good. We're up $19,000 in the IRA and $2,200 in the small account. That's how it's done. Silver platters, bro. Chelsea Clinton. When did we buy this? I was late and it was a silver platter. Tesla. I shit silver platters, bro. All I do is win. Like, we're almost in the win category. This one has just been a stuck pig, bro. I only have like $400 in it. Wait, I thought you left, Dr. Payne. I want to see ETH. Yeah, you and me both. I want to see ETH go over 10 grand. Let me one up you. Meeting finish. You guys, if you're Kill Tony fans, highly recommend last night's show. I almost didn't want to watch it because Carrot Top was on there and I was like, ugh. Dude, Carrot Top crushed it. Carrot Top was funny as hell, dude. I low-key kind of want to go to Vegas and see Carrot Top now. He was funny. I just looked at Hood. Are you ready for the blue sky? You've been bragging about this blue sky and Hood for some time. Ooh, it is breaking out a little bit. Hello. Double top. Let's see. What was this? Silver platters, bros. That's what this is. 66.91. Meet Kevin ain't talking about this show. I don't know what he's talking about because Jason ain't here to let us know what's going on, but $66. It was like 66.92. Let's see. 66.91, and we're currently at 66. We're at a double top, triple top. It spiked above it. Are you still watching Neo? I mean, not really. Another stupid ass stock. Oh, is it up 12 cents and you're all excited? The dumb shit you invest in, bro. Yeah, you've been wanting to buy this and it just keeps going down. It's looking juicy to short. Like, why would you invest in this? You had a reason. You think you have that philosophy I had when I was in high school? Buy a $4 stock and you can, and if it goes to 400 like Tesla. Remember when ETH layer 2s were the thing? You know, I was thinking about that a little bit. It's weird that Kraken has their own layer 2, yet they're releasing the stock market on Solana. I mean, their scam stock market. Oh, I got that feeling Tadalafil gives me a little quick this time. All right. All right. It's time for me to go chip some granite. Time for me to go squeeze one out. I was checking on Bitcoin. 1092. Yep. When it's over. I just got to the plant. Yeah, I mean, I took some Cialis, bro. I'm rock hard right now. Rock Johnson. That's my poor name, Rock Johnson. I don't know if anyone's ever used that before, but I love that name. Rock Johnson, and I deliver silver platters. I'm going to change my YouTube to Rock Johnson delivering silver platters. These dips get bought up quickly. It doesn't look like this one's getting bought up quickly. Rock Johnson coming at you. Cash and cookies. Rock Johnson coming at you from somewhere in sunny California. RKLB, what's this one? Rocket Lab, what do they do? A Rocket Lab. This one Meet Kevin talks about. JT in the house. How you doing, brother? Love good random advice like that might save your life. What random advice? I think Hyperliquid is a trap. Why do you think Hyperliquid's a trap? It's actually a chain people use. He can't hear this. It's so far it's stupid. Dude, you're about to get a week ban for posting that. That is like 10 times worse than most of the shit that's showing up on my Twitter. Waiting for alt season is trying to like win a no blink contest. Like trying to. I wanted to say something about nails in my nutsack, but oh, my new mic's got fuzzies on it. All right, well, F says meet Kevin 20 hours ago. Federal Reserve to hike rates. He's been watching my channel. Are we just suckers waiting for it? I mean, I guess. And being up money is a sucker. Economic reset coming. No, I feel so unsatisfied. No Jason, no meat scam report, Jason. I mean, you better have a good fucking excuse, bro. If you're not here, you need to at least put the report up. It was announced for $1,000, you can get a 40-minute coaching session. I was thinking about that. If he gets 1,000 people, that's $1 million. That's also 40,000 minutes, which is a lot of minutes, a lot of hours. But who would think this is a good? Like, you have to be well off enough that $1,000 is nothing. But and then you kind of, what do you need him for? And a coaching is he gonna, like, I don't know. It's a really weird thing for him to sell. ETH at 10K, I hope. And what can he? I send me Kevin $1,000, and then what? I get on a Zoom call with him, and he doesn't know shit about me. I mean, what does he do? Does he ask for my bank statements ahead of time? My financial statements, my debt to income ratio? Like, what is he gonna coach me? Do you think? What are the odds that he tries to sell courses and House Hack during this coaching session? You're a perfect investor for House Hack. You take half that, Dr. Payne? 10K or bust, in my opinion. I'm not even going to read that dumbass comment. Trump media announces $2.5 billion treasury deal. Everyone breaks the same news. I stopped following a lot of people that just regurgitate the same news over and over. But we got Marty Party. I just follow him for the laughs now. James Wynn did not make anywhere near 65 million. because he kept gambling and lost. The efforts came for me again. Stop posting your trade. When did this happen? Did this just happen and we missed it? Yeah, this happened on stream, bro, and we missed it. 1086. They keep going for this guy. Like, he's annoying. Stop posting what you're doing, bro. What was your liquidation? You think BTC is about to rip? Yeah, you keep posting that. Rand Nooner. That crypto banner, he's actually a bigger con artist than Meet Kevin. It goes in this order: BitBoy, Rand Nooner, Meet Kevin. Back in the casino, his liquidation 109,708. No, Mark. 103. That was an old one from yesterday. Talking about Moonpig. The Ribbit. $8.5 billion in shorts will be liquidated when Bitcoin hits 115. James Wynn says today. Circle files for IPO and NYSE. You still there, Peter? I thought XRP or Coinbase was buying them. Or was that Tether? Pay for Meet Kevin course must be horribly financially illiterate. No. Yeah, that's the idea. It makes you, just buying the course, you're almost guaranteed to be a multimillionaire within 18 months. You got it right. XRP and Coinbase were in the chatter. Look at this, guys. All I do is win. You get sick of it. I know Ricky drives around his truck rooting. God damn it. I hope that Tom gets pasted today. I hope he takes a big fat L on his face. This James guy loves to. How many people are following him now? 206K. I hope we all win. I said Ricky, not, or did I say you? Oh, that showed up because he said good morning. Bitcoin 111. Did that happen today? I don't remember that. Nope, 110. This is the biggest clown on Twitter, Marty Party. I actually Invest Answers is, but I stopped following his clown ass. Zero DTE, brr. Tuesday, go to the gym. I worked out yesterday, bitch. Probably do some exercises today. I'm doing Kegels right now. OTA start today. This is the same video of him doing it last year. This man, the best quarterback in the world, showing up to OTAs. He's probably not even required. Day one. The dude is a consummate professional. Yes, I've unfollowed him. BitBoy, you gotta keep following BitBoy for the laughs. We gotta know when he gets out of jail. I think BitBoy's still in jail, by the way. Good. Are you ready for blue skies? Bitcoin's starting to make a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. $66.11. We got a red on the hourly. Where's the trend reversal? Shardy, I bet there's a TR right here. We're not getting blue skies until we break above and find support. Anything on the economic calendar this week? Little bit of Ondo. Bitcoin almost back to 110. Durable goods came out. FOMC tomorrow. That can move the markets. I mean, he's not going to be dovish. He's going to be hawkish, right? Going to say shit about Trump. GDP growth rate on the 29th. That's Thursday. Personal. More PC, more inflation. It's like every week there's different inflation data. Little bit of Ondo in my life. Yeah, I'm going to be getting Gemini. You hear that, Elon? F Twitter, bro. F Grok. F your pricing. I dumped over half and I never felt better. And meat scam, referring to Meat Kevin. You hear that, Elon? Ooh, who's that? Sexy. You hear that, Elon? Suck my nuts. All due respect, suck my nuts. Close but no cigar. 40x $billion long, aka moron. Like, how much? That can't be his money, right? That has to be a fund of people that he's in control of. $1 billion. He had $1 billion long that could have got wiped out if Bitcoin flushed down to 103,000. That can happen. Insane, dude. Would you invest in that guy? Fudge. No. Don't leverage trade. 40x leverage trade? Psh. You're flirting with you know what I'm saying? Like, is there going to be some guy that made a bunch of money leverage trading? Of course. Statistically speaking, one or two people are going to make a bunch of money. But over time, they're going to fade off into obscurity as they lose it all back. I hate to break it to you, no one is special, dude. No one is special that they can 40x leverage trade and win over time. Can't be done. It is, yeah. Actually, you have better odds on blackjack. Probably have better odds playing roulette. Massive volume flowing through Jimmy in the first 45. See, this guy didn't even talk about MicroStrategy. House always wins, especially in crypto. Those are exchanges going against him. Like, they see his liquidation level and then they just flush him down and take his money, bro. I don't know. He's trading on Hyperliquid. So I don't know if there's a way to game that system or not. Probably, yeah. I mean, he could continue to get lucky, and people like, you're such an idiot, Tom. That guy. I do see a lot of people on X saying he's really good technical analyst. Okay. Last 3 trades he's done, he's picked the wrong direction. Of course, he also broadcasts it so that they go after him. He says things like, liquidate me, effers. He throws $1 billion long 40X and says, liquidate me, effers. And people with tens of billions say, okay, bitch. You think you're big dick? Sorry. TA is always right. That I will tell you. TA is always right. Because they have an answer for everything. Oh, yeah, they got invalidated. You should have known. Should have known. Oh, you didn't see that. You didn't see the falling wedge. The invalidation and the falling wedge forming over the 12 second. I just draw lines and draw lines just to kind of see what's happening. See what's happening. I don't use it to predict anything. The only thing I kind of like the only thing I really dig are Fibonacci's and the moving averages, but I don't really think that gives me any edge. Oh, we bounced off the 20. We're going up. Yeah, we are until we go down. We are until Trump tweets that he wants to fucking YOLO dolo a bunch of tariffs again. Fibonacci's. TA still valid. Moves the goalpost. Yeah, TA has an answer. TA knew that Trump was going to tweet. TA knows the news. TA knows the news. And that's why it happened. It knew it was coming. There are people that believe that. Come on, Ethereum. There's so many I'm rooting for right now to break out. Ethereum, Hood, Shardy telling me about green skies or blue skies. Come on, where are them blue skies, Shardy? You've been talking about these blue skies for a week now. What about Coinbase blue skies? It's at a fib. Struggling. Next stop 306 and then 350. Just put a large ETH purchase in, what, like $250? Let's check in on the SPX up 92, NASDAQ up 400. How far are we from all-time highs? 4%. We didn't look at the SPX M2 going back up. A deluxe apartment. M2. New all-time highs today. I take that back. Close. Closing in on all-time highs. All-time highs. Tesla. Come on, ETH. My cost basis on this 2.12 ETH is 28.28. We're almost back to positive on that. We definitely positive on my ETH on chain, bro. Holy shit. It's 8 o'clock. This went by pretty quick. I thought it was going to be a quicker stream, bro. All right, let's check in on Bitcoin. 1092, struggling. At a fib. A 10, what fib are we at? Oh, I'm looking at Tesla. Tesla's at a fib. I don't think Bitcoin's at a fib. No, Bitcoin's trying to get blue skies next stop 155. We think that can happen? I mean, if it repeats last pattern, which it's not going to, like two tens on the table. Time flies when you're having fun. 155 will happen. I mean, I hope so, dude. I don't know. Like, we need FOMO. We need retail. We need sideline money to show up. We need FOMO arigato. We need retail. This is the Bitcoin. This is the most boring Bitcoin bull market. Bitcoin's over 110,000 and 109. No one cares. Trust me, if you know, you know. Doesn't look very expensive. $17 for a cold sandwich. I caught them live trying to liquidate me. They sent the price down. That was my liquidation. Had to reduce my position in real time. Good job. They didn't keep, bro. Yeah, I don't. Why would you even want to swim with sharks like that? This is literally. You posted this literally like an hour ago, and you're posting it again. Oh, it's a little bit different. Trump media to issue 1.5 billion common stock and 1 billion in convertible notes. What does that even mean? Does that mean my Trump is going up? Where's my Trump? Trump. Come on, bro. Do I not have Trump on here? Here it is. 1279. They had the dinner already, didn't they? He needs another scam. When does he start selling that? My JLP, I should have all in that. That's doing really well. Chris's Jupiter, not doing so hot. How's my favorite meme coins doing? Caspa. Get out while you can, bro. The trend is your friend, and the trend is down. Like, your next best bet is 10 cents. Like, you're at it. You're not gonna beat this, bro. The best answer was probably at that dinner. Trump. Engors. What the fuck word is that? Engors that shit out of him. I don't think he was at that dinner. I don't think he was buying. I don't even feel like I don't even know. Does he like Trump? Probably, but. Engors. Yeah. What word is that, bro? Obviously a typo. Engorsda? Is that a real word? Invest answers is a tool. Yeah. Yeah, that's not even a real word. Engorsda shit out of him. Bro, answer. God damn it, Velez. We got a little poopy situation brewing. I want to hang up. I did it. Engors in Trump. Board. Trump. I'm trying to figure out this word. Help me out, guys. God damn it, Velez. Answer. I can't continue not knowing what that was supposed to say. Trump the shit out of him. Beat the shit out of him? That doesn't look like. I swear, I think Velez is like 10 minutes behind or something. I think we peak in September. Oh, ignored. How did I not figure that out? Oh, I am, because I'm retarded, low IQ Tom. All right, boys and girls, I'm late. Gotta get to work. Let's check a soy boy testosterone. 8 likes. You guys brought the heat.